guys, this is Silvia with the Salsa with Silvia trick of the week, and this is Mario. Today, we are teaching you beginner level 1 and 2 moves, and we're gonna talk about the back break and a move called Enchufla. So there's a single Enchufla and double Enchufla, and we're gonna talk about what's important. All right, so we're gonna start with the single Enchufla, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, back break 3, 5, 6, 7. So if you can see here that all we're doing is we're changing places. So we start here, and at the end of the move, we switch places. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so a couple of things that are very important here. Your leads, you're basically doing 2 back breaks, or to kind of push the follower back gently. Push, 2, 3. And again, push, 2, 3, push, 6, 7. So that's very important, and it's a little bit hard to coordinate. So make sure you work on your footwork and then the lead. 5, 6, 7. Step back, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Mario, can you just show the footwork for the lead?
Sure.
Just the footwork.
In the number 1, you broke your number 1. So it's back, 1, 2, and the number 3 switch. And then your number 5 is back and close again.
Okay. All right. So for the follower, you are always stepping through your counts. So you're starting on your right, going back. And 1, 2, 3, finish your basic 7. So that's the footwork, and let's talk about the double Enchufla. So the double Enchufla starts the same way, except leads, you're gonna stop her from over-rotating by putting your hand on her back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So again, it starts with a back break. And followers, what I'm doing here is a little styling, so make sure you try that too. And 1, 2, 3, pop the arm. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. All right, so we have one more move for you, and we call that the 360 rotation. And the reason why we're teaching that today is because we find that in classes, people struggle a lot with this move, and we want to talk a little bit about what's important. So for this move, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, back break 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's almost like you're going to do the waltz. Not exactly. But we start with a back break, and we meet in the middle in close position. So let's look at the first 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Right here, if you can see, my right leg is between his legs, right? So you don't want to be doing this. That's not the move. You want to be right in the middle. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So for this footwork, both the lead and the follower, you're stepping through your count. So let's just do the lead footwork. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, step back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And so for the follower, you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, step back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. When you're rotating, there is some tension in the frame here. So basically, we're both kind of pulling back and creating that tension so that we can stay together. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, so let's put it all together from the top, and then we'll do it with music. 1, 2, 3, 5, single Enchufla. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, double. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rotation, 6, 7, and 1. And that's it. Let's check it out with music. So that was it for today. We learned single enchufla, double enchufla, and a 360 rotation. We'll see you guys again in the next trick of the week. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you react, comment, and share. And also, make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. Remember to go on our website, www.salsawithsilvia.com. That's where we post our classes, our workshops, and a lot of other good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.